Okay, guys, I'm going to walk you through the solution to homework 1, which is basically just getting Google App Engine online. First thing I do is I go to Chrome, and let's see, we're going to download, I'm going to go to the Google App Engine page. I'm going to assume you've signed up to App Engine. And then we basically go to the getting started for, I'm using Python 2.7. Some of you may have more success with 5. I'm going to use this hello world example. And we're going to create these two files. One is called hello-world.py, and the other will be called app.yaml. So let's start with the first one. We'll copy this. I'll go to my editor, paste this. We're going to make this say Udacity, if I recall. Udacity. Let's go ahead and save this. So I've saved this file. I'm going to make the other file, and we can just take the contents from the getting started document here, app.yaml. We'll put this in a new file, and we'll go ahead and save this. Okay, all is well. And we'll go to my terminal, and I'll go to that directory. I called it unit1 homework is where I saved these two files. You can see there they are. And then to run it locally, always says we run dev app server. This is the console way of running Google App Engine code. Many of you are probably using the GUI. I prefer to use the console version. Makes it a little bit easier. You don't have to add projects and that sort of stuff. I'm going to run it on a different port. That's what the p command is for, because I share this machine with other instructors, and somebody's already using the default 8080. And then we just run it in the current directory. That's what period does. Okay, so this starts up. It complains a little bit about some missing APIs. We're not using the image API, so it doesn't matter. And then we go to our browser, and we can go to localhost 8888. And there we see it. Hello, Udacity. So all is moving. We can play around with things a little bit. If I wanted to change the text here, I can change it, save it, go to Chrome, reload, more exclamation marks. Pretty cool. Now, when I want to put this online, all I do is, instead of using dev app server, what I use instead is update app CFG, update, and I can run it in my current directory, and this will upload the app. I'm not actually going to run this for you because this would overwrite my other homeworks that are already online that are, you guys can use for demos. So, but basically all I do is I hit enter here, and it chatters at me for a little while, and then we're done. So the homework was intended to be very simple, but I realized that actually getting App Engine running on different platforms can be troublesome, and getting the Python versions in sync can be troublesome. I hope you guys have worked through all those things. And that's it for homework 1. All I wanted to do was get this basic website online. There it is in my local machine. And if I were to go to where I've already got it uploaded, I think I can go to Udacity CS253 appspot.com, where I've uploaded it previously, and there it is. Hello, Udacity. So all is well. Good job if you got that.